Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can set up a webmail system on cPanel, so let's get right into it. But first, let me quickly explain what cPanel is. cPanel is an online Linux-based graphics user interface, which enables you to much more easily create and manage your website and your servers. You can set up an email service or a webmail service on cPanel, which is what this tutorial is going to be showing you. And I'm going to be using this InMotion article since it is much more convenient for me since I cannot access cPanel at this current time. But yeah, without further ado, let's get right into it. First step, of course, log in into cPanel. Then you want to click the email accounts icon, which is in the email section. Once you're here, you will need to create another email. If any accounts exist, they will be listed here, but you will need to create a new account. Just click the blue plus create icon and you'll be fine. Then this following section will be displayed. You need to select the domain that you want to use for the email account. If you have multiple, then you will be able to click the drop down menu and select a different domain. If you're using only one, it'll automatically be displayed. Then you want to pick a username which you are going to use. The domain name is automatically appended based on the domain that you have selected, so you don't have to use that yourself. As you can see, at example.com is appended here. But yeah, next you want to set password now or send the login link to alternate email address if you would so like. However, I'd recommend setting a password now. Then the next are optional settings, which you can do. Just click edit settings, and then you can edit the storage space, which you can limit or set as unlimited. And after you set the storage space for an email account, you'll see the option which says automatically create folders for plus addressing, which is also an option. And once you're done with everything, you can just click the create button, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you next time.